Hello and welcome to the RZN Auto channel. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Kia Telluride, the latest evolution of one of the most popular family SUVs on the market. Known for its bold styling, spacious interior and strong value, the Telluride has always been a fan favourite. But for 2026, Kia takes things to the next level with fresh design updates, cutting-edge technology and improved performance. So let's take a closer look at why this could be the ultimate family SUV of the future. On the outside, the 2026 Telluride commands attention with a front fascia that is both modern and imposing. The front grille is larger, finished in black, and seamlessly integrates with the headlamp units, creating a sleek, almost hidden look when the lights are off. The housing of these lamps is deep set and angular, giving the design a sense of sharpness and depth that makes the SUV look muscular and sophisticated. But it's the daytime running lights that truly define the new face of the Telluride. These DRLs form a bold vertical L shape at each side of the grille, extending downward from the top of the headlamp cluster all the way to the bumper. Within this L shape, there's a dual lighting signature, a crisp vertical strip combined with a square loop accent that frames the main projector lamp. At night, this illumination is bright white LED with a uniform, premium glow, instantly giving the Telluride a distinctive road presence. Inside the DRL frame sit the main projector lamps, likely advanced full LED or matrix units, positioned almost like floating eyes within the angular light box. They're optimized for sharp cutoff lines and maximum visibility, delivering both performance and elegance. Around the back, the Telluride continues its bold styling with a wide LED light bar, squared-off tail lamps, and a more sculpted bumper. From the side, the SUV looks long and commanding, with a strong shoulder line, prominent wheel arches, and large alloy wheels that emphasize strength and presence. Step inside, and the interior of the Telluride is all about comfort, technology, and sophistication. Kia has focused on creating a true, family-friendly cabin that feels premium yet practical. The centerpiece is a massive curved digital display that blends the instrument cluster with the infotainment screen into one sleek panel. The infotainment system supports the latest wireless connectivity features, navigation, and over-the-air updates, making sure the Telluride stays future-ready. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, with options for heated, ventilated, and even massaging functions, depending on the trim. Second-row passengers can enjoy captain's chairs with their own climate controls, while the third row remains spacious enough for adults on longer trips. A panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, while customizable ambient lighting along the doors and console enhances the upscale atmosphere. The center console is wide and practical, with plenty of storage, cup holders, and a wireless charging pad, ensuring that families have the functionality they need on every trip. Under the hood, the 2026 Kia Telluride offers a balance of power and efficiency. While details may vary depending on the market, expect options like a refined V6 engine for strong towing capability, alongside hybrid or plug-in hybrid powertrains aimed at delivering both performance and better fuel economy. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and multiple drive modes, the Telluride is not only a comfortable family hauler, but also a capable SUV for road trips and adventures. Kia's latest suspension tuning further enhances ride comfort while keeping handling sharp, making this SUV feel stable and confident in every condition. So that's your first look at the 2026 Kia Telluride, a family SUV that combines bold new styling, a luxurious and tech-filled interior, and versatile performance. With its striking L-shaped DRLs, floating projector lamps, and commanding design, it's a vehicle that makes a statement wherever it goes. Add in the comfort, practicality, and advanced features inside, and it's clear why the Telluride continues to stand out in the crowded SUV market. What do you think? Does the 2026 Kia Telluride live up to its title as the ultimate family SUV? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest car reviews and first looks right here on RZN Auto. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.